Hi, Griffin. Hello. We're sitting here watching a Yankees game. And unfortunately, they're losing still. But hopefully that will change. Griffin seems to be a big fan of the Yankees. He wants them to beat the Red Sox. Show Grammy how you suck your thumb. Come on, show her. Show her what you've been doing. You don't want to show her? Come on. Come on, put it in there. Oh no, we don't want to cry on the World Wide Web. Are you going poo-poo? Alright, say goodbye.